Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to remove Opera GX keyboard sounds. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you want to disable or remove the keyboard sounds in Opera GX, you can follow these steps. Firstly, open Opera GX, then go to Settings, use the search bar and search for sound. Click on sound and make sure the keyboard sounds is enabled. Then close the settings tab. After making changes, restart Opera GX to apply the modifications. If none of these options resolve the issue, it's possible that the feature might be deeply integrated, and disabling it might not be straightforward. In such cases, reaching out to Opera GX support or checking their forums for assistance might be helpful. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.